Pasok na kami ng cave. The Lost World Cave.
Takot pa naman ako sa
Yan.
ganito. Uy, malamig na. Masagot sa inyo. Sila. Takot ako sa ganito po.
Sabi ng babae, mile lang, lalakarin natin.
Underground talaga, no?
Oo, underground.
Underground to, no? Ay, pabalik to sa kabila tayo. Sa kabila.
Ha?
Sa kabila tayo.
Hindi sila ang mali.
Walking like a half mile underground.
Sabi niya medyo water kaya slippery.
Yeah, slippery. Be careful. Be careful. Slowly.
Watch your steps.
Si Kuya maalalo.
Haba kami na like 30 feet on the ground. And a half mile walking. This is like a tunnel under underground. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at this. Wow. Amazing.
Keep right.
This is amazing.
Keep right. Madulas.
Amazing place. He said, welcome, Lost World Cavern. 1,000 feet long, 300 feet wide, 12 inches story tall, and 100 feet below the surface. Wow. Keep it down. Look at this. This is a lost world. Look at this. Underground. Sa ilalim kami ng tunnel. Sa ilalim ng kuweba. So really scary. Look at this stone. Mga rock nila, oh. Look at. Ayan ang mga diniging nila, ang mga rocks. Oh, ito. Ito yung mga na, ano. Oh. Parang scary, ah. May ano po, step ng ano, oh. May po ng ano. Kaya yan. May bear siguro dito. Look at this. So scary. Ito sa X block. I said X block. 3 million years. Form about 3 million years. Falling from the ceiling. Oh. Falling from the ceiling. X block.
Na-preserve talaga nila ito. O, na-preserve nila.
Please stay on the trail. Watch your step. Ito, pababa kami ng cave. Ilalim ng tunnel. So scary. Oh my God. Bakit pala sa lalim, oh? Grabe. Wow. It's a nature. Look like a nature. It's a water. It's not a man-made. It's like a nature. Ito, watch your step. Takyat kami. Katalos. Look at this. Lalim ng kuweba. Oh. Lalim. Ito yung mga parang nagiba. Naging ganyan na siya. Parang monkey yun. Look like monkey. Ito. Ayan siya.